Hey, Real STL News. This is Miss Goff. You guys can call me Haley, though. I feel like we've worked together a few times, so it's appropriate to call me Haley. I don't mind. First thing I want to do is say thank you so much for asking me to help you guys out, because I would love to do that. And you guys have helped me out a few times by coming to my classroom and actually talking to my journalism students, and they always really enjoy that. It gives them a new perspective on what journalism is and what journalism can be. It's not just some old dude sitting in a suit and tie at a desk and talking to a screen, like broadcast journalism. It can be exciting and it can be for the better good. So I really do appreciate that. And I do have a little bit of journalism background. I'll talk about that really quick. I have been a journalism educator for 4 years at the high school level. I've been an English educator for 5 years because I do have my bachelor's in English literature from Eastern Kentucky University. That's where I'm from. I also have my master's in classroom teaching. I've done some freelance writing of my own. Not just journalism, short stories as well. I just enjoy being published. It's really cool, and it's cool to put on resumes. So I've done some freelance writing. I enjoy that. I've also done some PR for Hazelwood East High School and the district. So I've done, positive news stories about what's happening in the district, spotlights on particular students, things of that nature. So it's not traditional journalism in that, there's bias there. Obviously, I want our school to look good. But I've written journalistically in that sense. I also did newsletters, weekly newsletters for a organization called Neighborhood Houses. It's known now as Unleashing Potential STL. And it's basically a children's program where they do before and after school programs. They do teen mom programs. It's all across St. Louis and this region in general. They're really great. But I did a lot of journalistic writing for them. And I was an on-the-ground reporter for about 2 years for the Lexington Herald Leader in Lexington, Kentucky. And those were some of my most exciting, most interesting times of my career. You never know what you're going to run into as a reporter, so I do relate in that sense. I just wanted to talk about my background just a little bit. Here are the video specifics. I'm honestly only doing audio for this one, which suits the purpose fine. I wanted just to talk about news writing basics. A lot of this stuff you guys already do. You're already good at it. But it's nice to have the language to go along with what you're actually doing so it doesn't feel unintentional. You're not good on accident, right? You guys are good because you know what you're doing. I'm just giving you the language to go along with that if you didn't know it already. So we're just going to talk about 3 topics: types of news stories, news writing formats and formulas, and then news writing style, which is called Associated Press or AP style.